Really good people. How you doing? How's it going? Welcome back to this back and I mean Donald Trump with the pirates and all that is here in the building. I got some for you today. You're gonna like it. Um, Before I jump into that thing, I got some for you. I wanna show. You'll see. Just wait, go. Just wait, go. 1 second, go. Shout outs to everybody in the building. All right. I hope everything is good with you all. Okay. Um, Shout outs to everybody, okay? Japan, Taiwan, Philippines, Peru, Brazil, Colombia, everybody in the building. You know what I'm saying? Uh, I don't know if you've seen this car though, but yeah, it's I like it. I like it. I don't know about you though, but I like I like the style. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't, let me know, okay? This is a 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. And I'm gonna show you inside, outside, and all that, okay? So bear with me. If you want to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, do all that, all right? What else? Hey, you think my videos are kind of slow or too fast? Over here, there's a gear, right? Click on that, scroll down. It says playback mode. You can speed it up or slow it down, all right? Then what else? Time is it? I don't have that much time. Damn it. So yeah. Oh, you want to support the channel too? Right below this video, there's heart. It says super thanks. Click on that. Go through it. Show your love. Shout outs to the haters too. All right, how you doing, hater? I love you too. All right. Pause. Sight. Okay. More or less. I'm not gonna hold you up. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Let me show you this baby. All right. I don't know. Cars are changing. All right. So let me show you this baby. Got the wind antenna. We got the handles. When you walk away or lock it, this thing is gonna get flat. When you unlock it, it's gonna pop up like that. We got the door. This is a Ioniq 5. This baby. Seats, just regular handles. Chargers. More chargers. Turn this off so you can see it better. This is like leather some. That's to heat it up, I guess. You have it like here too. Armrest. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Still brand new. Batteries over there. You know. Okay. Battery, fuse box, brake fluid reservoir. Okay. You see it. Coolant, windshield fluid. What this thing says. Group engine 00. That's a type of Freon or AC. The 1234 YF. Yeah. What you think about these? I'll do this real quick. Let's go on maps. You can zoom out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Can I make it brighter? There you go. Okay. They give you the distance, the miles. Ioniq 5, 2023, baby. You see it. All right. Dry mode. Sport. Oh, the background changed too. Huh. Amazing. That's how it sounds. Very much. But still, manually, you can bring it up or down the steering wheel. This is the shifter. Okay. You just gotta press the brake. Let that reverse. Let that drive. Park it. Press it. Okay. Very much. Nice. Take a look at this. What you think about this car? Let me know. Put it in the comment box, alright? I'm gonna leave it right here. Baby gotta eat. Know what I'm saying? Because I don't know problem with the pirates and all that. All right. Shout out to everybody in the building. In the building. You see it. All right. I'm a little bit excited for this car. But let me know. All right. Like now, you know where to find me. Axtuo, Audi.